Good morning, students. So today we will learn chapter number 1, that is number system. So everyone open your book and page number is 13. Okay, so we will learn a number system. So as you all know, like computer can understand only binary language. Now what is the meaning of binary language? It means 0 or 1, or either we can say on and off. So if one value it means on, if 0 value it means off. But for human beings it's not easy to understand each and everything in form of 0 or 1. That's why we require some number system so that we can understand, we can learn, we can pass on instruction, and then computer or interpreter, compiler will translate those numbers into binary number system. Okay. So first of all, in book you can see ASCII. What is the meaning of ASCII? ASCII stand for American Standard Code for Information Interchange, means for each and every alphabet we are having some number value, means in form of decimal number system. Now what is the meaning of decimal number system? 0 up to 9. For each and every alphabet we are having some numbers. Like for example, A has ASCII code 128. Sorry, A has ASCII code 65. Similarly, B has 66. In this way, for each and every alphabet, we are having some ASCII code. Okay, so that we can remember, we can pass instruction, and then computer will translate those ASCII code into form of 0 and 1. Now let's start about number system. What is the meaning of this number system? Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about what is number system, and these are four different number system available: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system, as you can see on page number 14. Now let's start with this number system and basic introduction. So first of all, in binary number system, base value is 2. Now what is the meaning of value? Means in binary number system we are having only 2 digit. Base means उस number system में कितने number हैं. तो अगर base 2, it means only 2 number. And number system, you all know, you have studied in last classes also, in computer languages chapter and somewhere else also, like computer can understand only binary language. So binary language means we are having binary number system, and binary stands for 0 or 1. That's why we are having only two values here, either 0 or 1. That's why base value for binary number system is 2. Next, octal number system. Here base value is 8. So as you can see, if base value is 8, means total numbers in this number system are 8, starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 up to 7, octal number system, base value will be 8. Next we are having hexadecimal number system. So hexadecimal number system, base value is 16, means 0 up to 15. Now there is some difference in hexadecimal number system. As you can see, digit 0 to 9, letter use A to F, means 0 to 9 तो आपका as it is decimal number system रहेगा. But after 9, when 10 will be there, we represent 10 with A in hexadecimal number system. Okay, so in hexadecimal number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This will be similar as we have in decimal number system, but 10 in hexadecimal we represent with A, 11 represent with B, 13 represent with C, 14 D, and 15 F. That's why we have right here used 0 to 9 and letter use A to F. So this thing you have to remember in hexadecimal number system. We are having total 16 numbers, 0 up to 15. 0 up to 9 will be same as we have in decimal number system. 10 up to 15 will be represent with the help of letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So one is missing here. So I will write here with the pen only. So fourth one we are having, as you all know, fourth one is here. Decimal number system. Okay. So fourth one we having decimal number system. In decimal number system, base value is 10 because in decimal we are having 0 up to 9. So total number here are 10. That's why base value is also 10. So base value for decimal we are having 10. Okay. For binary 2. For octal 8. For hexa 16. So this is the basic thing you have to remember, you have to remind, like in each and every number system what are the base value, then only you will be able to do the conversion. Now what is the meaning of conversion? As I have told you, computer can understand only binary language, but we cannot remember each and everything in form of 0 or 1. That will be very hard task for us. That's why we are using this number system for our simplicity, for users easiness, so that आपको अच्छे से वो याद हो, आप easily instruction pass कर सको. बट कंप्यूटर को तो वो समझ नहीं आएगा. तो अगर आप डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम यूज कर रहे हो 9, कंप्यूटर विल अंडरस्टैंड नथिंग रिलेटेड टू 9. सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू कन्वर्ट. ओके, हमें कुछ ऐसे प्रोग्राम लिखने पड़ते हैं, उन प्रोग्राम की हेल्प से हम क्या करेंगे, इन डेसिमल नंबर को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, फिर कंप्यूटर उसको प्रोसेस करेगा, प्रोसेस करने के बाद आउटपुट जनरेट करेगा, बट यूजर को तो बाइनरी समझ नहीं आएगा. फिर उस बाइनरी को वापस हम डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. सो दिस चैप्टर इज ऑल अबाउट कंप्यूटर कैन अंडरस्टैंड ओनली बाइनरी, बट फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग्स इट इज नॉट इजी टू लर्न everything in form of 0 or 1. That's why there is requirement of number system, so that we can pass our instruction, our information with the ease of learning, ease of access. Is it clear? So in this chapter we will learn about how we can convert decimal to binary, how we can convert binary to decimal, how we can convert octal to binary, then reverse binary to octal, then hexa to binary, binary to hexa. Okay, so all these things we will learn in this chapter. Now, detail about decimal number system. A positional number system has 10 symbols or 10 digits, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hence base value is 10. So as I have told you, we are having base value 10 for decimal number system, and maximum value of a single digit is 9, 1 less than value of base. तो आपके पास जितने भी होंगे, जैसे कि why we are saying 1 less than number of base. So I have told you in hexa we are having 0 to 15. Okay, but base value we are having 16, क्योंकि each and every number starting from 0. In similar, in decimal we are having 0 to 9, but base value we are having 10, क्योंकि स्टार्ट कहां से हो रहा है, 0 से. So that's why maximum value of single digit is 9, 1 less than value of base. Is it clear? Next, each position of digit represent a specific power of base 10. Okay, आपको अगर आपने लिखा 98, 1 second, I forgot to take pen. Okay, so अगर आपने लिखा 98 और उसकी पावर लगा दी 10, इट मीन्स ये आपका डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम है. तो जो भी उसकी बेस वैल्यू होगी, फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन आइडेंटिफाई द नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, Okay. Next, decimal number system example. Okay. So as you can see in your book also, page number 14, one example is given. Okay, that is 654321. Blue one. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this number is given in your book and you can see starting from 10. 10 raised to power 0, 10 raised to power 1, 10 raised to power 2, 10 raised to power 3, 10 raised to power 4 and 10 raised to power 5. So in this way we can represent a decimal number system क्योंकि base value क्या है इसका 10. So starting from 0 up to जितने आपके नंबर है. So in this you can see total number are 6. तो अगर आप 0 से स्टार्ट करोगे तो मैक्सिमम पावर क्या जाएगी इसकी 10 raised to power 5. So in this way we represent a decimal number system. Okay. So अगर आप इसको solve करो on page number 15, one example is given. Okay. So I will give you the same example so that you do not get confused when you are doing the revision. Okay. So example given here is 1, 4, 5, 7. Now if you will solve this one, how? So you have to write 7 into 10 raised to power 0, then 5 into 10 raised to power 1, then 4 into 10 raised to power 2 and then 1 into 10 raised to power 3. Is it clear? थोड़ा उधर चला गया. So I will just scroll down the board. So it's not visible on the black screen. Okay. So I will do one thing. I will switch this thing. Take another board. I will, how can minimize? No minimization. Okay. So from here only I will take one whiteboard. Okay. So here we will do the explanation. Okay. So 1, 4, it's very light. I will do this one. 1, 4, 5, 7. Okay. So this is the number given. Is it visible or not? I will change the pattern. This one. Now what we have to do? 7 into 10, 0. Okay. Next. 5 into 10 raised to power 1. Put this in bracket. 4 into 10 raised to power 2. Okay. And last 1 into 10 raised to power 3. Is it clear? So in this way you can write your decimal number system. So when you will solve this one, as you know, any number raised to power 0 will be what? 1 only. So here you will get 7 into 1. Here 5 into 10. Here 10 raised to power 2. How you can solve this thing? 10 raised to power 2 means 10 into 10. So that will be 100. So I will write here 100 into 4. So next we are having 10 raised to power 3. How you can solve this thing? 10 raised to power 3. It means 10 को आपको 3 बार multiply करना है. Means 10 into 10 into 10. Okay. So if you will write, so that will be 1000. So 1000 into 1. Now you have to solve. तो जब आप इसको solve करोगे, again you will get this one. 1000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 7, that will be equivalent to 1547. So in this way you can represent a decimal number system. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. Now next we are having binary number system. Okay. So where is our presentation? What happened? This one. Okay, then the number system. Search for this one, and this is our presentation. Okay, so in this way we can do the decimal number presentation. Okay, next, this method is also known as expansion method. तो अभी हमने जो भी example किया, that one is also known as expansion method. Okay, as you can see on page number 15 in your book. So next we are having binary number system. So as you all know, binary stand for 0 or 1. So binary number system having base value 2. So आपको जो क्या ध्यान रखना है, हर एक नंबर सिस्टम में जो भी उसका वैल्यू है आपको वो यूज करके उसको एक्सपेंड करना है. ठीक है, इन लास्ट एग्जांपल यू कैन सी base value is 10 for decimal. That's why we have multiply each and every number with 10. Okay, but in binary we are having base value 2, and here you can see if this is a binary number you can just check from here also. कुछ बच्चे होते हैं फर्स्ट टाइम क्लास ले रहे हैं, उनको कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. सो अगर आपको किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में सिर्फ 0 और 1 और 1 और 0 मिले या फिर उसकी बेस वैल्यू 2 मिले, it means that is your binary number system. Okay, so from here you can tell this is your binary number system. Now how you can expand this one? Just with the help of base value 2. Okay, if we are having 0 1 1 0 1, so how you can expand this one? First of all 1 किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 2, and base will be 0. नेक्स्ट नंबर इज 0, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे? 2, बेस वैल्यू विल बी 1. नेक्स्ट 1, बेस वैल्यू 2, सो मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2. आपको जस्ट एज इट इज ही नंबर लिखना, 2 लिखते जाना है. पहले आप सिंपल ऐसे लिखो, ठीक है. सबको आपने 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया. नाउ रेजिंग द पावर 0 1 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, now you have to solve this one, and you all know when you multiply a number with 0 that will be 0 only. Ignore all those numbers which are getting multiplied with 0. So I will ignore this one and this one. Okay, now any number raises to power 0 will be 1 only. So here 1 into 1. Next this one we have to ignore because this will be 0 only. 2 raised to power 2. How you can solve this one? Means 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 will be 4 multiplied by 1. Next 2 raised to power 3, but that is multiplying with 0. So that will be 0 only. Ignore this one. Next 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 will be 2 into 2 into 2. That will be 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So write here 16. Okay, now solve this one. 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1. So that will be 16 for 20 plus 1, that is 21. तो अभी आपने इसको किस में कन्वर्ट किया? डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम में, बाइनरी इनटू डेसिमल. So we will write here base of 10. Okay, is it clear how you can convert a binary number system into decimal number system? So in this way you can convert binary to decimal. As you can see, example is also given in your book, page number 16. So one more method we will do, and next we will do in upcoming classes. Okay, so this is your binary number system. Positional number system has base value 2, maximum value single digit 1, because maximum value आपके पास दो ही नंबर है 0 और 1, और 1 आपका maximum digit है. Each position represent by base 2, and number system is used in computer. क्योंकि कंप्यूटर आपका सिर्फ बाइनरी समझता है और आपकी सभी कंप्यूटर में सिर्फ बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम ही यूज होता है. ठीक है. Now, so this thing we have practiced already. Now this thing you have to remember, a bit. Bit stands for binary digit. A bit in a computer terminology means 0 or 1. So if someone asks from you what is the meaning of bit, It means 0 or 1. A binary number system consists of n bit is called n bit number. Okay, so before doing octal, we will do one example given in your book. This page is free, so we will do here. So in book you can see page number 16, one example is given 14. Okay, so this one is given 14 base 10 means आपका ये क्या है, डेसिमल है और आपको इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, बाइनरी नंबर सिस्टम में. सो यू कैन राइट द डेफिनेशन हियर, डेसिमल इनटू बाइनरी. डेसिमल को आपको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. एंड हाउ यू कैन डू दैट, you can do that with the division method. So you know division method means आपको जो भी नंबर, so ये आपका नंबर क्या है, डेसिमल है, आपको इसको किस में कन्वर्ट करना है, बाइनरी में. सो वी विल डू दैट वन. I will clear this board. Okay, now we will do decimal to binary conversion. If I will change the background, will that will be fine or more clear? Let's check. We are checking and writing this much. No, that is not clear. So we will take the darker one only. This one only. Okay. Okay. So now we have to convert decimal to binary. And how we can do that? Question given is 14. This is not visible, very light. Okay, so if I will increase the thickness. Okay, so now this one will be visible to all of it. Okay, so this was too much thick. Okay, I will just lower down the thickness. So this number is 14, that is your decimal number system, and we have to convert this into binary. How we can do that? With division method. And what is that division method? So here is 14. Okay, आपका डेसिमल है. अब आपको इसको बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना. फॉर दैट वी हैव टू डू द डिवीजन विद बेस वैल्यू. तो बेस वैल्यू क्या है बाइनरी की, 2. ओके, अब आपको इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर डिवाइड करना है. 2 7 14 and you have to write remainder in this side. Okay, after that you have to divide 7 with 2. Okay, 2 3 6 and remainder will be 1. Okay, next 2 1 2. 1 पे गया and remainder is 1. Okay, so we have write that one already. So this is your answer. From bottom to top you have to write your answer. Okay, so your answer will be 1 1 0 and base value 2. So in this way you can write your answer. Means 14 को जब आप डेसिमल से बाइनरी कन्वर्ट करोगे, so this will be your answer. Is it clear to all of you how you can convert a decimal number system into binary number system? In next class we will learn about octal and hexadecimal number system.